Yeah. 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 Man, you missing out, man. You missing out. Just like you do. I got a job, but I show up every day. Go to sleep late, I wake up early, and I show up every day. So, right here, this is day 2 of my compound challenge. It's a $500 account. Up to 6,800 is where we're trying to get to where we can withdraw 5K, leave the 1,800 in there as a cash flow, continually trade PO to the plan and the rules that we have set, readjust them if we would like. And then we utilize that as an extra cash flow, and then we take the profits, and we take a portion of that and we go and buy funded challenges, and then we utilize them funded challenges in order to get more capital, higher leverage, not higher leverage, but more leverage in order to go quicker with making money. So the goal of this is to really just show you the power of being able to actually trade. You'll see me look over here. I got my OBS looking, but I got my camera over here. But you'll be able to see the power of being able to actually trade, being able to read one chart on pocket options, then go and trade traditional and literally do the exact same thing, but you're just executing the trade differently. So if anybody that tells you, oh, OTC markets are this and that, crypto markets are all manipulator, this and that, and Forex is the best, or stocks is the best, or they probably just suck at trading. And that's just to be honest. If you can read a market, you can understand price action. You can really understand anything. There's just other things that come with them other forms of trading. Like crypto is a very hyped niche. If you want to trade crypto, you better be on the hype trains. You better understand the hype behind it. Forex is a lot of news and a lot of bullshit in the world going on. That's why the markets are so fucking crazy right now. Just being honest with you, you gotta keep logical sense to this shit. You ain't got time every single day. You got work. You only got a specific amount of time, so you ain't got time to wake up every single day to trade the New York session or be able to stay up. Like me, London starts at 3 a.m. I got stuff I got to do when I get off work in order to prosper my other businesses and grow my community and grow my YouTube channel and I do multiple things. It's not just trading. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have multiple businesses, multiple business ideas that I want to get to, and I just know trading is the way that's going to make me the capital. And I have a journey and a goal that I want to do, and what helps me stay disciplined and helps me stay consistent with my plan is having a community, having people that I can go and be held accountable to, and they can come and get held accountable, and they can get questions answered from somebody that's pretty much learned from everybody on YouTube. And I know pretty much everything about price action, and if not, I can definitely figure it out. I can't say I know everything about price action, but I know quite a bit. I have lots of knowledge. I've made quite a bit of money trading. I'm not going to sit here and say I'm some multi-millionaire off trading, but I've definitely made more profits and withdraw more money than a lot of other people have, especially a lot of the gurus that you see on the internet. So, So why not build a community that I can transition from my job into that community, into full-time mentoring and coaching people and helping them become profitable. And that community pays me for my time and helps pay my expenses to cover my living expenses. And then I can utilize trading to build my investments and build my businesses, because now I can focus fully on trading and not have to work and not have to do all this other stuff that is outside of my trading and my businesses, So there's goals to this, and there's ways that I'm going about it, and why not be as transparent as possible, So let's get into this. I have to get back to work, so I wanted to break this down for you real quick. So this is what you're going to see. I'm going to try to talk about it as I go, kind of explain it a little bit, just so you kind of got a better understanding. And I'll pause it and kind of explain what's going on. I do talk about it as I do it, but you know, I want to kind of get you more in depth of what I'm doing. Also, if you want to catch me live trading, I do live trading in the community, and then I'll break down the trades. Sometimes I break down the trades as I'm trading. So, you know, just make sure that you get the best. I want to make sure that you get the best understanding of what I'm doing and what I'm seeing and how I view the market. That's it. That's the goal. Sorry, my nose is itching. But I just want to make sure that you get some of the best understanding that you can. You know, sometimes you join a community, the person that you join it for isn't ever there. You never get your questions answered. You always got to worry about other people and this and that. Well, I'm there. I'm there every day. And the goal is to, you know, make it my job to where I can be there every single day, at least be around and make it happen, you know. And make it my job to make sure that I can help people become profitable. I'm talking a little fast. I'm trying to watch what's going on, as you can see. So I got my zones here. I know this is my higher time frame zone. This here is going to probably be my midline on the higher time frame, and then up here is my major. Yep, up here is my major zone. This is my midline on my lower time frame. As you can see, I'm on the 15 seconds, so that's why I did that. So you could see what was going on. My goal is I want price to come back to this purple box, give me a nice retest. But what normally happens if I don't get that retest, I'll get some sort of hook pattern. And you'll see price will break that structure on that lower time frame. We'll go back. So you'll see price will, and that's not where I wanted to be. I wanted to show you on the 15 second. Let me see. I think I'm going to go to the 15 second and I'll pause it and I'll show you what I wanted. So I knew I wanted on the 15 second, I wanted price to break this structure. It gave me that break. So the reason why I'm taking it, so let's talk about the reason why I'm about to take this. You're getting ready to see me. So the reason why I'm taking this trade, I got 2 seconds left, about to have the close. Price is up in this zone. All right, we've already broke this high right here. You know, we got our high, we got our other high. And if price is going to give me that head and shoulders, it's going to probably drop. So now price has broke this high. And I can't zoom in, but when you get something like this, normally this is what I see. If price isn't going to give me, it's going to give me a fake out, but it's going to be kind of like, you can see right here, we have a head and shoulders, a reversal head and shoulders. So not only do we have a head, oh my gosh. Now, I don't solely focus on patterns, but patterns are good indicators for me of good trades. So you see here, we got a nice head and shoulder pattern, right? We got one kind of forming. So you're expecting price to come here, push down. Price broke through. Now price is up above here. So I know off this close, just off momentum on this 30 second, that the 15 second has already broke this structure here, and that candle, that first candle inside that 30 second chart, that 30 second candle, I know is the body that broke all this structure here. So now where price is at on the 15 second, you're going to see that it's going to have that full body candle again with a nice wick. So we're going to have another candle. So you're going to get two body candles and nice wicks, which is showing me that momentum is very strong, carrying me up to here. This is my target. This area, this green box is just my target. So I'm only taking a 1 minute trade, 5%. And I'm just taking it to here. All right, we took it on the 30 second, and I can understand what's going on the 15 second off of reading the 30 second for so long. I understand what's going on the 15 second, utilizing this 30 second chart, and you'll see me, I'll go back down to the 15 second and make sure that I'll just confirm it after I've already taken the trade. So good close, good open of the new candle. So price is going to probably pull back a little bit to this area maybe. I'm trying to remember, but I think it does pull back to that area a little bit, and then it goes. You see on the higher time frame, we've also came to that zone. Let me give you a nice little look back. I think Zoom out here. No. All right, keep going. Let it keep going. And then we'll pause it, and you can see it again. So I zoom out. Boom. All right, so you can see. Oh, what? Oh, my bad. I apologize. Boom. You can see. Oh, my gosh, dude. What the heck? I apologize. Boom. We're at this major zone here. You see, prices came here multiple times and pushed off instantly. We've already came here once. I seen that price came again and gave us this massive wick. So in theory, I would have wanted price to come down, push off, and give me that push. Price came down. It didn't have to come all the way down. It came to this midline of this structure over here. Now it's pushing back up to retest this midline here on the higher time frame. So that's what I'm viewing. That's what I'm seeing on the higher time frame. I'm just trying to make sure you get an understanding of what I'm viewing and what I'm seeing as I scan through the time frames. So price is going to do what I want it to do. It's going to push up and come into our golden zone, which is our target zone, breaking this structure and this structure, giving me the confirmation from the higher time frame that price is going to continue up. This is a close trade too. It's ugly. I don't like trades where it's close like this. I want price to go. I don't want it to hesitate, and that's not a good trade for me. Another indication that this is strong. Let me show you. Another indication. I want to show you this. This is another thing that I use when I'm looking at the charts. Look how you have lots of weak movement over here. Very, very, undetermined on what's going on. Who has control of the market? You have price pushing off here, but look how strong the candles are. Not very strong, right? You got this strong move here. Obviously, sellers here got hella control. They got hella control. Okay? But we've tapped here multiple times. Buyers had control here, and then sellers gained control back, right? Look at these candles. These candles themselves, two of them candles, are taking out those entire candles. Like, they're taking out that entire move. So I know that I got momentum on my side, and as you've seen, price didn't give us any types of pullbacks. There's no wicks on any of these candles. So on the lower time frame, the 15-second, there's no pullbacks. When you use Hakanashi, a pullback, you're going to get the wick. You're going to get a wick, and then you'll get bodies. So, you'll get the body, and then you'll have a wick at the bottom. But I'm utilizing the candles for momentum. Like, look right here. Look at this momentum compared to these moves. Sellers got lots of control down here. So that's it. That's what we're doing. My bad. I apologize. So trying to find where I was, but I can't find it, so price tapped my zone, so I kind of moved in order to wait for price to do what it wants to do and see if I could find another opportunity in the market. We're going to go back to it. Just wait. I'm just analyzing the market at the moment, trying to decide where's a good place. That's all I'm doing at the moment. And you can see that I'm very focused. I'm not really trying to conversate or talk about anything. I'm just trying to trade. Okay. Yeah, this is looking like a beautiful trade. Look at this head and shoulders pattern. I think it's the trade that I'm going to take. This is the head and shoulders pattern. We got the level line breaking right here. Level line's breaking. And we're going with that body to close above. Let's just watch. Let's just analyze it. And I'm going to put a zone up here. That's gonna be my target. And then we're getting that break. We're continuing the trend. And we're going to take this head and shoulders to the top of this structure. I think I'm going to talk about it too, because I didn't really talk about it. So when you see this is, you got one touch, okay, that's making your zone. There's a zone here. We had price immediately push off. He came up. All right, price can't get past this zone, so we know this is another major zone. Then it came down, pushed again, and tested this zone. Buyers bought it again, pushed it up. It fell back down and retested this zone. Buyers bought it again, pushed it back up. Sellers pushed it down at the midline of the structure. What happened? It barely made it to the zone. Sellers started taking control. Our buyers started taking control, and what they do, they push it up to the top, to this area. Now, whether price breaks this area or not, wasn't concerned about that. I'm trying to catch this move. It's showing me that buyers have control of the market. I can't believe I didn't take the trade on that other chart. So this is the Facebook, that move that I had wanted, and I'm pretty sure, I'm going to take this trade back up, because I know that this is another higher time frame zone, 5 minute midline. So we're going to trade it to this zone because we've already tested this midline multiple times. And I know I'm going to at least want price to come back up to this area. We're just taking a nice little quick 1 minute. We got a nice level line break. I wanted to wait for the close, so I didn't get no snapback on that second candle. Because sometimes when I wait on this close of the first candle of the level line break, which right here is the level line break on the 15 second, that's why I entered. The body was way above the level line. So that's a good indication that that's a good, strong level line. And then I waited. The reason why I waited on this second candle is because sometimes in the 15 second, when you get moves like this, and it comes to that this next candle that I enter in, sometimes if it's not going to be a valid trade, you'll normally get a snapback in the first 5 seconds, and price will instantly shoot down hard. Price didn't give me that shoot down, so I was willing to accept that, okay, I'm probably going to get the push. I'm not going to hesitate. I'm just going to execute the trade, and if price does whip down the last second, it is what it is. I'm executing the trade and sticking to the process. That's the plan. That's it. That's the goal. There ain't nothing too fancy about it. I'm just sticking to the process and the plan. So now what price is doing is retesting this structure that it's made right here, this little structure here. If you come over here, there's actually structure right there. So price is testing that structure, that area of concern on the lower time frame, whatever you want to call it, and it's getting ready to push back up to that zone. Timing is a key part to this. Two ugly trades. They didn't go the way I wanted them to go. I want price to go. I don't want it to be around my area. It's great that price shot up. It's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to give me that go.
Well, that's it, folks. That's
So
it.
here you go. You'll hear me talk.
You probably didn't hear me talk much. I didn't talk at all. I traded. I'm not finna talk and explain it as I traded. What I'll do now, since I took them trades, and I'm about to go back to work. So what I'm gonna do is I'll come back later, and we'll do a breakdown of the trades, and then I'll get this posted on YouTube. But yeah, that's it. I'm only taking 3 trades a day, and depending on how I feel about a certain loss, it's 1 or 2 losses in a row. Like if I take 1 loss and I don't feel like what I'm looking at is making sense, or I'm just not feeling up to trading today, then I will take off. But But yeah, that's it. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching and enjoy the breakdown.
That's it, folks. That's it. I'm glad I could give you a breakdown. I hope that it was useful and helpful. And yeah, join the Discord, join the family. If you want to catch the lives, copy trade or catch me trading live, and join the paid version. You'll catch the live. You pretty much get like one-on-one mentoring. Come to the live streams. I'll answer any questions you got. Answer them to the best of my ability. Make sure that you get the best understanding that I can give you. If you don't understand it, I'll keep working at it till you understand it. We'll make sure that you understand it. That's the hope. That's the goal. That's the purpose of it. Ain't no point in joining the community if you're not gonna make money and become profitable with it. I don't want you to just come and pay and hang out and stuff. I mean, that's cool if you want to do that. That's great. But the goal is to come and get profitable. So I appreciate you. I thank you. The new course is going to be dropping here soon for the community. So if you are in the paid version of the community, you'll have access to that free as long as you're in the community. If you don't want to join the community, you just want to buy the course, you'll have that opportunity, which will actually give you free access to the community for like a month. But anybody that's in the community, the paid community, we're going to be doing a 30-day lab after the course drops. So we'll wait a week. After that week, then we're going to do a 30-day lab where we'll have a class every single day for 30 days, hour long. It'll probably be an hour or two, and then we'll go over the session, like over the lesson together. I'll answer any questions, and then we kind of just go from there. So you're not learning this on the own, just watching the videos. We're gonna watch them together. I'll help you, like any questions that you got, and we'll get them answered and stuff. So with that being said, I appreciate you. I thank you, and I hope to see you in the family. Peace.